Is it correct to say, he go to school? Of course not. The correction is, he goes to school. I am Dina Rabie. Today I will be explaining the present simple tense in less than 5 minutes. Present simple tense المضارع البسيط meaning and use المعنى والاستخدام. We use it for 3 main things: routine, habits, and facts. So first, let's start with routine. This word refers to something that we usually do regularly, like this. I wake up at 7 o'clock. This is my routine, something I usually do. I read or watch TV in the evening. This is my routine, something I regularly do. يعني شيء نعمله بشكل منتظم. Another thing is habits, العادات. I visit Egypt every year. Usually we'll see the word every here. بمعنى أقوم بزيارة مصر كل عام. I brush my teeth every night. أغسل أسناني كل ليلة, which is a habit. Then we use it also for facts, الحقائق. Like this, water boils at 100 Celsius. This is a scientific fact, حقيقة علمية. بمعنى تغلي المياه عند درجة حرارة 100. Or the sun rises in the east. تشرق الشمس من الشرق. How do we structure the present simple tense? We usually put the subject plus the base verb. يعني الفاعل زائد الفعل في المصدر. We usually add s or es with the pronouns he or she or it. Or any singular subject يعني أي فاعل مفرد. For example, I can say I eat, you eat, they eat, we eat, the girls eat. Or he eats, she eats, it eats, or the girl eats. Because it's singular لأنه مفرد. I can also say I go, we go, they go, you go, students go لأنها جمع, or he goes, she goes, it goes, or a student goes لأنها مفرد. But when do we add es instead of s? Whenever we have a verb ending in ch, sh, ss, or x or o, like watches, washes, passes, fixes, goes. The reason for this is that if we added only s, the pronunciation would be extremely difficult. Now how do you form negatives and questions? النفي والسؤال. So let's start with negatives. We usually use the auxiliary don't or doesn't. So if the original sentence has no s, we add don't. If it has s, we simply add doesn't. I like tea. أحب الشاي. I don't like tea. لا أحب الشاي. He watches TV. He doesn't watch TV. يعني لا يشاهد التلفاز. We use doesn't because there is originally s or es in the verb. Questions are done in the same way. تركيب السؤال بنفس الشكل. So originally if the sentence is I study English, there is no s, so the auxiliary would be do you study English? هل تدرس اللغة الإنجليزية? She lives in Cairo with an s, so the auxiliary is does she live in Cairo? هل تعيش في القاهرة? We start with the auxiliary or the helping verb in order to form the question. Time markers أو الكلمات التي تدل على الزمن. Usually we have the words always, دائما, usually, عادة, sometimes, أحيانا, never, أبدا, every day, every week, every month, every year. يعني كل يوم, كل أسبوع, كل شهر, كل عام, وهكذا. For example, I always brush my teeth. She never eats fast food. We exercise every day. He visits his grandmother every month. She renews her license every year. I sometimes read before bed. Sometimes he forgets his keys. Now I will share my daily routine as an example. I wake up at 7, I drink coffee, I prepare my lessons, I post videos. This is my routine, and that's why I use the present simple. Now, what do you do every day? I would like you to share your daily routine with me in the comment section for practice. Finally, stay tuned for more tenses, inshallah, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.